Hi,
Hello.
welcome back to our vegan kitchen. It's recipe filming day today for this week. And was I prepared? No, because we have a crochet market this weekend. So I figured, let me just play around. So this weekend, I am subscribed to another channel, vegan channel called Broccoli Mum. She's in the UK and she follows a whole food plant-based diet. And she had a reel up where she used spring roll wrappers, the rice paper ones, and a sheet of nori. So she sandwiched the sheet of nori in between two rice paper rolls, rolled it up, cut it into like bite-size-ish pieces, snack-size pieces, and cooked it in the air fryer. And I thought, wow, that looks like a lot of fun. So then I didn't get to try it over the weekend, but then it's time to film a recipe today, and I thought, you know what? Let me give it a shot. But instead of just doing what she did, let me take it one step further and add some tofu in the middle, because to me that sounds like it could be a nice little topper for a salad, or, you know, the protein in a lunch bowl along with some other veggies or something like that. So I'm going to give it a shot. I'm just going to play around. Why not? So I have my beautiful tofu device, my torture device.
That's what it looks like.
It is. I feel like I need to get another one of these because one of them is not enough. I mean, we do eat a lot of tofu. When I make tofu
You're
for the
usually
family,
making like 3.
I make 3 cakes. So that's a lot of tofu. So I don't want to have to wait, you know, each time to squeeze it out. It does a really good job, and it's pretty fast. I just put this on before. This is nice and firm now, and
What
it's
firmness
very
is
dry.
that?
This is the extra firm. Excuse me.
Bubby, relax. Mister.
He's a real control freak. All right, so I'm just gonna slice this in half, lengthwise. And then I feel like I'm going to do it this way. Oh, I could do it right on the grid lines there.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Already provided for you.
Yes. All right, so we're going to do these in like little logs. So tofu, if you've never had it, tastes like nothing. So we want it to taste like something. So I'm just going to drizzle a little tamari on it. Yes, this is tamari. All right. Because I don't want it to taste like nothing. So let's get that flavored up. Oh, should I maybe
Do the back?
do the back too?
Yeah, maybe.
Or do you think that's enough?
I mean, you're the chef here.
Am I? Let's see. I don't want it to be too salty. But you know, that doesn't taste like anything either. That's just rice paper. So let's put this aside so it can suck up all the goodness. You go over here while we do our business. All right, so now let's do the wrap part. So we got to open up our spring roll wrappers. These you can buy at like TJ Maxx of all places. The supermarket that I go to has this in the Asian section. They're relatively cheap. They're like 3 and change usually. Easy to come by, so. And they are a lot of fun to work with. I've also taken these and cut them and made rice noodles. Very, very thin rice noodles, like the angel hair of rice noodles. So let me take a couple out so I don't touch the entire package with my wet hands and like mess it up.
Like activate them.
Yeah, exactly. All right, so I think I'm gonna need another plate too for rolling. So let me grab a plate. All right, a clean one. All right. So we're just gonna use water today to activate. Sometimes I'll put in some soy sauce, but the tofu has quite a bit of soy sauce on it already, so I don't want to overdo it on the sodium. All right, so we're gonna take 1 rice paper. We're going to completely immerse it.
I always love this. It's like a magic trick.
It is. We're going to put that over there. We're going to very carefully take out a nori without getting the rest of them wet. Put that on there. Try and center it. Yeah, it's not exactly... Like, she went through the trouble of, like, trimming
Lining
the
it up.
edges and everything. I'm not that fancy.
I mean, we have a circle here and a square here.
Yes.
It's fine, though.
I'm always in a circle in the square peg, so... Or a square peg in the circle, who knows. Alright, so we got that. Then I guess we can...
I didn't know you were doing 2 per...
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah. So will this fit? Yes. Okay, good. So maybe we should bring it down to here. She also sprinkled some sesame seeds on there. I don't want them getting caught in my teeth, so we're just gonna do these like this. Should I cut it now or should I?
I don't know. It's your call.
I don't know. I could have, this one is little, like, oh, it's a present. Maybe I'll cut these into like 4ths.
Okay.
Like that.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Right?
Yeah.
That's a good bite
Just
size.
little, like, bites.
Okay. Now I'm going to put these in the air fryer over here. Line them up. And we'll check back when I get all of my stuff rolled up.
All right. Looking good.
All right, so I have all the tofu rolled up, and just for S&Gs, I decided to do just the rice paper and seaweed, nori.
Okay.
I think she sprayed it with a little bit of, you know,
A little something, something.
just so that it doesn't dry out, because I feel like these rice paper ones are not meant to they're not meant to go in the air fryer. Like, it's going to be too hard. Like, it's going to be biting down on, like...
Plastic.
Yeah. So, I'm going to try and put these in at, like, 390 for, like, 20 to 25 minutes. We'll see what happens. I'm not going to flip them. If I find out that I need to flip them, I'll let you know, or if they need to go longer. But I'm going to start with like 20 minutes. I'm going to start with 20 minutes. I'm not asking you, I'm telling you.
All right.
20 minutes at 390.
Good luck.
Thank you. All right, it's gone almost 10 minutes, so I think we should probably flip it. Oh, those are looking so good. All right, so we're just, I feel like we should turn these over. Because whoops. Why won't you,
Looks yummy.
cooperate? All right, I'm going to turn those over. Where are the ones over? I think maybe we could take those out because those look almost ready. All right, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn these over. I'm going to take out the other ones. And I'm going to do another 10 minutes, maybe 7 minutes. I'll do 7 minutes.
Yeah, don't go too long.
My glasses.
Yeah, I was having some headache issues earlier.
Some migraines,
And,
yeah.
I'm a little sensitive to the light right now.
Okay, well, that's all right.
A rainstorm.
All right.
Somebody's in a mood.
Well, I'm in the mood of, I want to try this.
All right, so we're
Looks
calling
really good.
I just realized that we're going to call this crispy tofu bites.
Okay.
So here's without the tofu. Want to try?
Sure. Cheers.
It's chewy.
It is chewy.
Not getting much out of that.
No.
No flavor, because I didn't put anything on it.
I mean, I taste the nori.
Yeah.
But that's it.
It's not horrible. But what's the point?
You know what I could use?
Salt.
Spicy mayo!
Oh, yeah!
Spicy mayo would be great.
Yeah, but
I mean, it's not bad.
the point of this, though, is healthy, low calorie. But however, these look amazing.
Yeah, the tofu looks really good.
Pick your poison. My comedy robot.
My comedy robot. Cheers. Smells pretty good. Crunchy.
Yeah.
My tofu's slipping out of the skin.
Yeah, I know.
Ooh, that's tasty. I like it with the tofu in there.
Once you bite through it, it's good.
Yeah, it's a little bit hard to bite through like the skin, but
Yeah.
it's tasty.
It is really tasty.
I'm just gonna wow. I like it.
I would give it a 9.8 out of 10. Definitely would make again.
Yeah, I think it's really good. Sorry. Just this. Not so much.
Great.
This, yes.
Yeah. This would be great on
really good.
top of a bowl of like noodles or
With rice.
yeah, with some rice or cucumber salad.
I might put some of those in my bowl with my lunch.
Yeah.
I think I will.
Yeah. As bland-ish as these are,
So
I'm
you
kind
go
of
back for
intrigued
it.
by them.
Okay.
Sometimes you like a little cardboard.
I mean, I wouldn't call it cardboard, it's seaweed, but
Yeah, but it's not like the flavored seaweed that you get in the packet from the
tofu
store.
though, love it.
Tofu, incredible.
Yeah. All right, well, there you have it.
I hope you guys try it because it was super easy.
Yeah, it was easy. It came together very quickly.
I bumbled my way through it and it still came out good.
Yeah.
But yeah, thank you, Broccoli Mom, for the inspiration.
Yes.
I will leave a link to her channel in the info box under the video.
That's a good one.
Check her out. I have her cookbook. I got it at Christmas time. She's got a lot of innovative recipes in there, or as the Brits would say, innovative. She was the one who put me on to making lentil waffles, like no flour lentil waffles. Like amazing stuff. She's got a lot of amazing things.
Yeah.
She was the tofu cheesecake. So, yeah. The raw, is it raw? I don't know. The freezer tofu cheesecake with the plantains in it. All right,
I was going to say no so because I was thinking of crochet. No bake.
No bake. All right, we're going to devour this. But we'll be back next week or on Friday if you want to see a vlog.
Yeah. So thanks so much for watching. We hope you give this a try. And until next time.
Much love.